Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am well. Now I am introducing myself. I am Sultana Afroz, Assistant Teacher, Balijiri FM High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Now I am going to discuss about Unit 5 of Lesson 1. The name of the unit is Making a Difference. Making a difference. Making is noun and difference is noun. Difference. Now we can see a word difference. 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 Difference is noun. Difference is noun. Making is noun. Make is verb and making is noun. Making difference. The name of the unit is Making a Difference. Difference is making is noun and difference is noun. Bengali meaning পার্থক্য তৈরি করা. Difference meaning discrimination. Difference meaning discrimination. বৈষম্য পার্থক্য. Separation. Separation. By reading this unit, you will know about ask and answer questions and write a paragraph about any person, etc. The name of the lesson is, there are many lessons. There are 5 lessons, or there are 7 lessons in this unit or unit 5. Now I am going to discuss about lesson 1. The name of the lesson 1, the beginning. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. You can write down. My dear students, you can write down these words in your exercise book. Beginning. Difference. Now I am going to discuss, or now I am going to write about this partial speech and meaning. Difference means discrimination or separation. Bengali meaning পার্থক্য বৈষম্য. Making is noun. Making তৈরি. Preparing. Making means preparing. Starting. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting, and beginning is noun. Beginning is noun. Besides these words, there are more important words in this passage. Now I am going to discuss about these words. My dear students, beginning the lesson, we can know three about three words. Difference is noun. The similar word of difference is discrimination. Bengali meaning পার্থক্য বা বৈষম্য. Making is noun. Making meanings preparing, প্রস্তুত বা তৈরি. Beginning is noun. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. And in this passage we can see more words. In this passage we can see more words. Now I will tell about these words. There are some important words in this passage. Typical. Typical is adjective. Typical meaning usual. General, ideal. Next word, small. We all know the meaning of small. Small is adjective. The similar word of small is teeny. Little, ছোট. Next word, extraordinary. This is adjective. And the similar word of extraordinary is uncommon, unusual, etc. Willpower is noun. Willpower meaning determination. ইচ্ছা শক্তি. Bengali meaning ইচ্ছা শক্তি. Willpower is determination meaning willpower, and this is noun. Bengali meaning ইচ্ছা শক্তি. Next word, aspect. Aspect is noun. Aspect meaning appearance. Aspect meaning appearance. রূপ, চেহারা, দৃষ্টি. Bengali meaning রূপ, চেহারা বা দৃষ্টি. I am telling the words. My dear students, you can write down some important words in your exercise book, and it will be benefited for the exams. Spirit. Next word, spirit. Spirit is noun. Spirit means heart, soul. Spirit. Bengali meaning আত্মা, হৃদয়, মন. There is a phrase in this passage. Now I am writing this phrase, day to day life. Day to day life. This is a phrase. And the meaning of this phrase is everyday life. Everyday life. Everyday life. There is a phrase in this passage. The phrase is day-to-day life. Day-to-day life. This is a phrase, and the meaning of this phrase is everyday life. Next word, cruelty. Next word, cruelty. Cruelty is noun. Cruelty is noun and cruel is adjective. Cruelty is noun and this is abstract noun. This is abstract noun. Cruelty meaning unkindness. 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 Cruelty meaning unkindness. Nirdayata. Nishthurata. Arts. Next word, arts. Arts is noun. Arts meaning difficulties. Arts meaning difficulties. Arts meaning difficulties. Pratikulata, but obstacles. We can tell obstacles. Obstacles. Bengali meaning pratikulata, badha, samasya. Next word, run. Run is verb. The similar word of run is maintain. 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 Run is verb and the similar word of run is maintain. Bengali meaning porichalona kara or lead. Next word, setting up. Setting up. Setting up. Present form. Setting up is present form. Set up. Setting up. Noun. This is noun. The similar word of setting up is establishing. 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 I have discussed about some important words from this passage. Now I am going to read the passage. Listen to me attentively. Look at the section A. Read the text and tick the best answers to the following questions. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhanaidah. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, we can see a new word, ordinary. Ordinary. Ordinary is adjective. Ordinary is adjective. Ordinary meaning common. Common, usual, etc. I am telling this passage again. In this ordinary village, there lives an ordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. We can see a new word, cruel. Cruel. I have already discussed about this word. Cruel is adjective. Cruel is adjective. The similar word of cruel is unkind. Unkind. Reading the passage again. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner. Winner. There is a new word. Winner. Winner is noun. Winner is noun. Winner is adjective. Winner meaning victorious. Victorious. Winner means victorious. Vijoy. But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Defying. Defying is verb. Defying is verb. Defying meaning repulsing. Repulsing. প্রতিহত করা, প্রতিরোধ করা বা প্রতিহত করা, বেঙ্গলি মিনিং প্রতিহত করা, সিমিলার ওয়ার্ড রিপালসিং। The similar word of defying is repulsing. Come on, second step. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Konak. She runs a small boutique called Oikyo Nari Kalyan Samstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. I have finished the passage. There is a small village. আছে একটি ছোট্ট গ্রাম কল ভবানীপুর, ভবানীপুর নামে ইন ঝিনাইদহতে। ইট ইজ এ টাইপিক্যাল বাংলাদেশি ভিলেজ। এটা একটি সাধারণ বা আদর্শ বাংলাদেশি গ্রাম। পিপুল হিয়ার, এখানকার লোকজন স্পেন্ড কাটায় দেয়ার ডে টু ডে লাইফ, তাদের প্রাত্যহিক জীবন মোস্টলি অধিকাংশই ওয়ার্কিং ইন দ্য ফিল্ডস, মাঠে কাজ করে, অ্যান্ড ডুইং হাউস হোল্ড ওয়ার্ক, এবং গৃহস্থালির কাজ করে। ইন দিস অর্ডিনারি ভিলেজ, এই সাধারণ গ্রামে, দেয়ার লিভস অ্যান্ড অর্ডিনারি ওমেন, বাস করে একজন অসাধারণ মহিলা নেম শামিমা আক্তার মায়া, শামিমা আক্তার মায়া নামে। শামিমাস উইল পাওয়ার, শামিমার ইচ্ছা শক্তি, অ্যান্ড ডিটারমিনেশন এবং সংকল্প হ্যাভ মেড, করে তুলেছে হার এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি, তাকে অসাধারণ করে তুলেছে। শি হ্যাজ সিন, সে দেখেছে, দ্য মোস্ট ক্রুয়েল অ্যাসপেক্ট, সবচেয়ে নিষ্ঠুর দিক বা রূপ বা চেহারা অফ লাইফ, জীবনের। বাট দ্য ক্রুয়েলটি কুড নট ডিফিট, কিন্তু নিষ্ঠুরতা তাকে পরাজয় করতে পারেনি। হার স্পিরিট, তার আত্মাকে দমন করতে পারেনি। শি হ্যাজ কাম আউট, সে বেরিয়ে এসেছে অ্যাজ এ উইনার, একজন বিজয়ী হিসেবে। ডিফাইং অল দ্য অডস, সকল প্রতিকূলতাকে প্রতিহত করে অফ লাইফ, জীবনে। শামিমা ইজ নাও 32 ইয়ার্স ওল্ড, শামিমার বয়স এখন 32 বছর। শি হ্যাজ অনলি ওয়ান সান, তার আছে মাত্র একটি ছেলে, নেমড আশিকুর রহমান কনক, আশিকুর রহমান কনক নামে। শি রানস, সে পরিচালনা করে এ স্মল বুটিক, একটি ছোট্ট বুটিকের দোকান, কল্ড নামে, ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা, ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা নামে, ইন হার ভিলেজ, তার গ্রামে। লেটস হিয়ার ফ্রম শামিমা, চলো আমরা শামিমার কাছ থেকে শুনি হাউ শি সাকসিডেড, কীভাবে সে সফল হলো, ইন সেটিং আপ, প্রতিষ্ঠা করে হার বুটিক, তার বুটিকের দোকানটা প্রতিষ্ঠা করে বা স্থাপন করে সে কীভাবে সফল হলো। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, by reading this passage you can know about some important words and some MCQ and some short questions. Now I am going to discuss about some MCQ questions. Look at the section A. Look at the section A below the passage. Number 1. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village. The underlined word means underlined word typical. Underlined word typical. I have already discussed about typical, the meaning of typical and its parts of speech. I hope you will be able to answer this question. The underlined word means, and option 1 unusual, option B usual, option C famous, option D infamous. I think that typical is, or the answer will be usual. Answer will be usual. Next question. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here the underlined word means extraordinary, common, simple, amazing, normal. I think that the answer will be amazing. Answer will be amazing. Extraordinary means amazing. Next question. The people of determination succeeded in the long run. There is a phrase in this question, in the long run. This is a phrase. The meaning of the phrase is poriname, obasheshe. The people of determination succeeded. লোকজনের সংকল্প সফল হলো in the long run, পরিণামে। Here the underlined word means, underline নিচে দাগ দেওয়া শব্দটির অর্থ উইল পাওয়ার। অপশন এ উইল পাওয়ার, অপশন বি উইকনেস, অপশন সি স্ট্রং ডিজায়ার, অপশন ডি উইশ। I think that the answer will be strong desire. Determination means strong desire. Open at page number 46. Open at page number 46. Question number 4. Shamima has faced the darkest aspect of life. Here the underlined word means. I have already discussed about this word aspect. I hope that you will be able to answer this question. Shamima has faced the darkest aspect of life. Here the underlined word means appearance, option B position, option C characteristics, option D peace. I think it will be appearance. Option A. Question number 5. The tragedy in Shamima's life could not defeat her spirit. Here the underlined word means, the underlined word spirit. I have also discussed about this word spirit. Here the underlined word means option A ghost, option B soul, option C strength, option D wisdom. I think that it will be, or the answer will be soul. Spirit means soul. Look at the section B. My dear students, open your English textbook and open at page number 46. Look at the section B. There are some phrases in this section B. In the right side, there are some phrases in the left side, and there are some meaning of them in the right side. Now match the meaning with the phrases. I hope you will be able to answer the question. Read the text again. Now match the phrases with the meanings. Page in the left side phrase, in the right side meaning. I am telling some phrases. Day to day life means everyday life, প্রাত্যহিক জীবন, হাউসহোল্ড ওয়ার্ক, গৃহস্থালির কাজ, ক্রুয়েল অ্যাসপেক্ট অফ লাইফ, জীবনের নিষ্ঠুর দিক, কাম আউট অ্যাজ এ উইনার, একজন বিজয়ী হিসেবে বেরিয়ে আসা, অল দি ওয়ার্ডস অফ লাইফ, জীবনের সমস্ত প্রতিকূলতা, 6 টাইপিক্যাল বাংলাদেশি ভিলেজ, বাংলাদেশি মানে আদর্শ বাংলাদেশি গ্রাম। In there are some meanings in the right side. Unkind happenings in life, নিষ্ঠুর ঘটনা ইন লাইফ, জীবনের, বিকাম ভিক্টোরিয়াস, বিজয়ী হয়ে ওঠা, এভরিডে লাইফ, প্রাত্যহিক জীবন, ডিফিকাল্টিস অফ লাইফ, জীবনের সকল সমস্যা, হ্যাভিং অল দ্য রেগুলার ফিচার্স মানে দৈনন্দিন দিক বা বৈশিষ্ট্য হবে বাংলাদেশি ভিলেজ, বাংলাদেশি গ্রামের, ডোমেস্টিক চোর্স, গৃহস্থালির কাজ। নাও we are matching the phrases with their meanings. Day to day life, it will be day to day life meanings everyday life, day to day life meanings everyday life. Household work means domestic chores. Phrase number 3, cruel aspect of life, unkind happenings in life, come out as a winner, become victorious. Question number 5 or phrase number 5, all the words of life, difficulties of life. This is the last phrase, typical Bangladeshi village. The answer will be having all the regular features of a Bangladeshi village. Thank you, my dear students. I have finished the section B. Now I am going to write some short questions from this passage, and you can write down some short questions in your exercise book. Homework. Your homework will be five short questions. Your homework will be 5 short questions. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number A. Who is Shamima Akhtar? Who is Shamima Akhtar? Who is Shamima Akhtar? Question number 2. Where does she live? Where does she live? Where does she live? Question number 6. What is the willpower? What is the willpower of Shamima? Of her? What is the willpower of her? Her means Shamima. Question number D. What type of village? What type of village is Bhawanipur? Bhawanipur. What type of village is Bhawanipur? This is the last question. What does she run? In this question, we can use the similar word. We can use the similar word. Run. Run meaning maintain. Maintain. Have. What does run? What does she run or what does she maintain? These questions will be homework. Question A, we Shami Marked. By reading these passages, you will be able to answer them. These are simple questions. Who is Shami Marked? Question number 2, where does she live? Question number C, what is the willpower of her? D, what type of village is Bhawanipur? Question number E, this is the last question. What does she run or what does she maintain? Thank you very much. Thank you all. Stay home. Stay safe. When your school will be opened, your homework will submit in your subject teacher. Thank you very much. See the next class.